Are you drowning in research tabs or losing track of sources for your papers? Let me show you how to save any source from the web to your research library with just one click. Jenni's Web Importer is a browser extension that lets you save articles, research papers, and open access PDFs directly to your Jenni library. No more copy-pasting URLs, no more losing sources, and no more tab chaos. Whether you're on Google Scholar, Nature, PubMed, or basically any database, you can capture it instantly. Let's get you set up in under 30 seconds. First, head to your browser's extension store. If you're using Chrome like me, that's going to be the Chrome Web Store. Next, search for Jenni Web Importer, or simply click the link in the description of this video. Then, hit Add to Chrome or whatever browser you're using. Then click Add Extension when the permissions pop up. And ta-da! See the Jenni logo in your toolbar? That means you're ready to go. Just sign in with your Jenni account. And if you don't have one yet, creating one is free and takes 10 seconds. Now, here's where the magic happens. Let's say I'm researching climate change and I find this perfect article on Google Scholar. Instead of bookmarking it or copying the URL, I just click the Add to Jenni button here. Look at this. Jenni automatically grabs the title, authors, and publication details. If you're working on multiple projects, you can also choose which collection to save it to. I'll put this in my climate research folder. Hit Add and done. The source is now in your Jenni library. And here's the best part. For open access papers, Jenni automatically downloads the full PDF. No more hunting for downloads. Once the article is saved, you can open the PDF directly in Jenni with our smart AI chat ready to answer any questions you may have about the reference. Now, when you open Jenni to write your paper, all of your sources are here perfectly organized. Everything's sorted into collections, so no more searching through bookmarks or browser history. When you're writing, just type @ to cite any of your saved sources. Jenni handles all of the formatting. APA, MLA, Chicago, whatever you need. And your bibliography, it generates automatically from all of your cited sources. So you can either keep juggling 50 research tabs and losing sources, or just save everything with one click and focus on actually writing your paper. Install Jenni's Web Importer for free today, link in the description. And if you want to know more about Jenni, check out our product introduction video linked on screen right now. Happy writing!